Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever had to work overtime?
What do you usually do when you have to stay late at work?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about working overtime.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Are you still working?
Yes, I have to stay late today.
Oh, are you working overtime?
Yes, I am.
What happened?
We have an important report to finish.
When is it due?
It's due tomorrow morning.
I see. That's why you're staying late.
Exactly.
Do you need any help?
Actually, yes. Could you help me check the numbers?
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
How much work do you have left?
I still need to finish 2 sections.
That's not too bad.
I hope I can finish them soon.
Let's work on them together.
Good idea.
I'll check the first section.
And I'll finish the second one.
Sounds good.
Do you think we'll finish before 8?
I think so.
That's a relief.
Don't worry, we're making good progress.
You're right.
Let's stay focused.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you want to take a short break?
Yes, please. I'm getting tired.
Let's get some coffee.
That sounds great.
Do you want anything to eat?
Maybe a small sandwich.
Good idea.
I haven't had dinner yet.
You should eat something.
I know. I'm really hungry.
After the break, we'll finish the report.
Absolutely.
A short break will help us concentrate.
I agree.
Okay, let's take 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Are you ready to continue?
Yes, I feel much better after the break.
Great. Let's finish the report.
I've almost finished the last section.
That's good news.
Can you check this part for me?
Sure, let me take a look.
Does everything look okay?
Yes, but I think we should change one number.
Which number?
This one here.
You're right. I made a small mistake.
No problem. We caught it before sending the report.
That's true.
I think the report is ready now.
Finally.
Good job.
Thank you for your help.
What time is it?
It's almost 8:30.
Wow, it's late.
Yes, I'm ready to go home.
Me too.
Do you have any plans tonight?
Not really. I'm going home and getting some rest.
That sounds like a good plan.
What about you?
I'll have dinner and take a shower.
You deserve a good meal after working overtime.
Definitely.
Do you have to work overtime tomorrow?
I hope not.
Let's hope tomorrow is an easier day.
I hope so too.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. You too.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions about working overtime.
Can you remember some?
Work overtime.
Excellent.
Stay late at work.
Very good.
Finish a report.
Perfect.
Take a short break.
Great.
Work together.
Wonderful.
Go home after work.
Excellent.
Get some rest.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about work and overtime in English now.
That's wonderful to hear.
Thank you for practicing with me.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for talking about working overtime, finishing work, taking a break, and going home late.
You also learned how to offer help, discuss work progress, and talk about plans after work.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence aloud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, and happy English learning.